Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pin a message during your Google Meet call. So let's say you're inside a Google Meet call, guys, and you want to pin a message. You can click on the message or the chat option in the lower right hand side. If you're using a phone, all you have to do is just simply click the three dots next to the end call button, and you'll be able to see a feature that says end call messages. Now, if you're the host during that call, you're able to also pin it from your mobile as well. But as you can see here, I'm currently on my computer right now. So in order to, let's say, pin this call, so in order to actually pin this message, you want to hover over any message during this chat, and you will see the pin icon towards the right hand side. You click on pin, and you'll have the option to pin this message. You click in that, and that message is now pinned. As you can see, at any point in time you want to unpin it, you can simply hover over that message again and simply unpin that. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and pin a message during your Google Meet call. Very easy and very simple.